Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel. Today I am explain about the structure and function of mitochondria. First let we see about small introduction of the mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound cell organ and mainly it found in all aerobic cell of plants and animals with the exception of bacteria and blue-green algae. And it is also called as powerhouse of cell, mainly found in eukaryotes. The name was first coined by Carl Benda, but Kolliker was the first person who discovered the mitochondria in the year 1880, but later studies confirmed by Fleming and Altman. Mito means thread, chondrion means granule. The number of mitochondria per cell varies from species to species and from cell to cell. An amoeba has 15,000 mitochondria per cell, whereas some algae have only one. Whereas mitochondria are typically 1 to 4 microns long and 0.2 to 0.1 microns wide. The size of mitochondria is 2 to 6 micrometer. Next we see about the structure of mitochondria. The mitochondria can be seen under a light microscope as a filamentous and spherical structure. And also electron microscope can be used to reveal the ultrastructure of the mitochondria. The structure part of mitochondria is outer membrane, inner membrane, cristae, matrix. In the matrix, ribosomes, DNA, enzymes are present. Each mitochondria is surrounded by two membranes. One is outer membrane, another one is inner membrane. The space between inner membrane and outer membrane is called as intermembrane space. Now we see the detail about the structure part of the mitochondria. First part is outer mitochondrial membrane. It is the form of smooth envelope surrounded by the mitochondria, and it is also selectively permeable. It allows selectively to the nutrients or components to enter or exist in the way of outer surface of the mitochondria. The outer mitochondrial membrane made up of phospholipids, and also it contains some enzymes like acetyl-CoA synthetase, glycophosphatase, and etc. The acetyl-CoA synthetase is involved in metabolism of acetate. It converts ATP to AMP and pyrophosphatase. And also the outer mitochondrial membrane helps to control the mitochondrial quality. Next part is inner mitochondrial membrane. It is a separate the mitochondrial matrix from the intermembrane space, and it also contains phospholipids. It is necessary for the structure of respiratory chain protein, and it also involves the chemical and electrical insulator. Next part is cristae. Cristae are fold present in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. It gives the inner membrane its characteristics wrinkle shaped. The inner membrane has series of inward projections, its self-like folds called cristae. It gives a large surface area for a chemical reaction, and it provides the large surface area for various reactions to take place in the cristae. Cristae increase the available surface area to enhance the productivity of cellular respiration, and constituents of electron transport chain is located this cristae. Next part is the important part of the mitochondria, that is mitochondrial matrix. It is a central fluid filled cavity, and it's surrounded by inner mitochondrial membrane. The mitochondrial matrix is the site of TCA cycle B oxidation of fatty acid and etc. Ribosomes are present here and DNA also present here. This is the major part of the mitochondria. Next we see about the function of mitochondria. Mitochondria regulate cellular metabolism, and it supports cell growth and development, detoxification, example amino acids in liver. Important role in programmed cell death, that is apoptosis, programmed cell death, build blood components, production of estrogen and testosterone, maintains the calcium ion concentration, cell growth and cell differentiation, cell signaling, cell aging. This is the main function of the mitochondria as follows. And the classic role of mitochondria is oxidative phosphorylation, which generates ATP by utilizing the energy released during the oxidation of the food we eat. ATP is used to turn as the primary energy source of the most biochemical and physiological process. In the site of mitochondrial matrix, ATP are produced and it is used for the such growth, movement and Homeostasis. Homeostasis is any self-regulating process by which an organism tends to maintain stability while adjusting to conditions that are best for its survival. That is homeostasis. And also mitochondria play a central role in many other metabolic tasks such as signaling through the mitochondrial reactive oxygen species, regulation of the membrane potential apoptosis, that is programmed cell death, calcium signaling including calcium evoked apoptosis, regulation of cellular metabolism, certain heme synthesis reaction, steroid synthesis, and also involved hormonal signaling, that is mitochondria are sensitive and responsive to hormones in a part by the action of mitochondrial estrogen receptor. These receptors have been found in various tissues and cell types including brain and heart. And the mitochondria also involved with the immune signaling, and also neuronal mitochondria also contribute to cellular quality control by reporting neuronal status toward microglia through specialized somatic junction. The developing neurons contribute to intracellular signaling towards microglia, which communication is indispensable for proper regulation of brain development. This is all about the function of mitochondria. I think hopefully this video is helpful for all of you. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe the YouTube channel. அப்படியே மறக்காம இந்த பெல் ஐக்கன் மட்டும் press பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுங்க. Thank you for watching.